how to put bullet points in Google Slides. If you want to put bullet points in Google Slides, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch Google Slides and you will see this type of interface right here. Now what you have to do is, here I have got a certain text right here, let's say, which I want to convert to a bullet point. So once I select that text, I will find these new icons at the top. One is a dotted bullet list that I can use. The other is the numbered bullet list that I can use. So depending upon which one you want, you can use either the dotted one or the numbered one to be able to use bullet points. It's as simple as that, right? Now, another way is that you can actually trigger this using a shortcut as well, which is the Control Shift and 8 key. So you can use Control Shift 8 or you can use Command Shift 8 for Mac users. For Windows users, you use Control key, Shift key, and 8, the number 8, right? So Control Shift 8 or Command Shift 8 will help you enable or put these bullet points. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.